Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your wallet on Tonkeeper app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the Play Store or your App Store. Once you download the app, launch this app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one. So once you're logged in, you'll see this interface of the app. Now, in order to delete your wallet, you need to go to the settings. Here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Once you're in the settings page, you need to scroll down. You'll find the delete account option over here. It will delete your Tonkeeper wallet account. So if you're sure to delete your wallet, you can tap on this delete account option. Choosing this option will delete all of your personal data. So if you have any important personal data and wallet passwords, you can back up right now. Here you can see the backup option. If you already have a backup, you can tap on this checkbox. And now you will see delete wallet data option. So you can simply tap on it and your Tonkeeper wallet account will be deleted. So that's it. That's how you can delete your wallet on Tonkeeper. It's a very simple and easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.